How to find members only videos on YouTube. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can find members only videos on YouTube. Now, the first thing you want to do is launch open the YouTube app on your device. Now, you simply want to search for the channel where you want to view members only video. Go ahead and select that. Now, here you should find the option of membership. Go ahead and select that. Under that, you will find a list of all the videos which are only for members. Now, in order to watch the members only video, you actually have to become their member. So what you want to do is tap on the join option on the channel's homepage, then follow the on-screen prompts and then join that channel. After that, these videos will be unlocked. Now, after joining, refresh the page to access any member-only content. Now you will be eligible to watch those videos, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.